Good afternoon, student. Welcome all of you in our English class. Today I have come here with interesting, small, easiest and attractive topic. The name of the topic is poster writing. Poster writing is valuable for both class 11th and 12th. It's equally important. It's of 4 marks in your 30 marks writing. As you are designing a poster, you just have to think a little bit. You do not have to worry about your grammar and the large sentence and the structure. Just highlight a few points. The ideas that's in your mind, you have to translate that idea in writing form. You can make a poster in text form, in written form. You can write in picture, drawing, cartoons, or other way of attraction. As far as poster is concerned, it's used as a commercial purpose. It can be used for creating social awareness, and it can also be used to adorn your art gallery. Anyway, you can use poster. In your class 11th and 12th, you have to write a poster under the limit of 50 words. So what should be done? So I have written here a few things. One thing, the poster that you are making, it must be in box. As I have made here a box, and just in the center of the box you can write poster. You can write at the left hand side corner poster. The word poster can be written. A few things are there that I am going to share with you. One thing is heading. According to the question, whatever heading is there, you have to write bold letters, capital letters. All the letters must be in large size so that it may attract the attention. It must be readable from a distance. Next, visually attractive. Whatever you are writing, it must be attractive to look at. If a text is written, suppose I have written here a traffic of sentences, number of sentences are written, so no one would take care to read those words. And if something is designed in a spacious or a different way, so everybody, so for 1 second, so he may be attractive. So visually it must be attractive. Whatever you have designed, so everyone should have a mind that what if I look at the poster. Next is informative. Poster is designed for a purpose. If purpose is not fulfilled, it's of no use. Whatever information you want to provide, whether it's for commercial purpose or to create social awareness, it must be conveyed to the reader. Next, illustration. Illustration means drawing, painting, slogans in a cartoon forms or others. So you have to fill color, you have to fill caricatures in your poster. So all these things are here that you have to take care. So let me tell you that while ending of the chapter, so we write two things. So what are these two things? So let me tell you. As I have written here some examples, you can write your information or your attraction in any way. As you are making a poster for commercial product. So you can write here come first, and your font must be visible, it must be attractive. And to design these fonts, so you can use in this way, you can use in this way 50% discount. In this way you can highlight, you are free here, you will get freedom to express yourself, you are free to write. But whatever you have written here, the letters, it must be in a different form, in a stylish form, some in caps, some in different form. So here, so you can write here oval shape, round shape, whatever shape you like to write. So here I have written save trees. In this way you can write. You do not have to design like a painter, but whatever you want to highlight, it must attract the attention of others, but in a few words. Minimum words, maximum information must be provided. So if you write, so you can write in bullets. Suppose you want to say save Mother Earth, save girls, in this way. Or if you want to write just one slogan here, so you can put in box. You are free in any way, wherever you feel free to write, but whatever information you want to provide, it must be conveyed. Here one thing also want to add, the caricatures, cartoons, the drawing you want to design here, like a tap of water, drop of water you want to design here. So you will write on the either side of your writing. So here you will highlight the things. So I have written here just to show you. So you will write these things on either side. So here bullet point you can give, you can write in other way. So many forms are given, so you can follow any form. Coming to next, as far as date, time and venue is concerned, so it depends on the poster, whether it's for public interest or it's for any commercial purpose. As far as poster is concerned, generally we can divide in two parts, as I have already written here: sponsored by and issued by. Suppose you have designed here a poster, so at the end, at the bottom with phone number, you will write here issued by. So issued by, in the sense, if it's to create awareness for the interest of the public, then we can write here issued by. Issued by Government of India, Government of Haryana, issued by central government, just to create awareness. Or if it's issued by to create awareness on behalf of a form of public group of people, suppose any club is there, any other organization is there, that organization wants to spread awareness among the mass, it's not for commercial purpose, so then it's issued by in public interest. On the other side, sponsored by, if it's attracting the attention of the public for any product of a company or a firm, any event is being organized for commercial purpose, so then we will write here sponsored by. Same time would like to tell that if it's sponsored by, any event is being organized, that time we will mention here these three things: date, time and venue. Suppose you want to create awareness about quitting the smoking. So that time, so you do not have to write here date, time, and venue. It's just awareness. As corona disease is going on, no, we do not write any date, time, or event. Any chief guest is coming, any other person is coming, so we have to welcome. So that time we want the others that they should attend, so that's why we will write. So generally, if it's for any event that is being organized, so that time we will write date, time, or venue. Otherwise we will ignore it, we will just aware the people, we will give information to the people. So I hope that you have got a lot of thing about poster. So I will send you couple of questions, so you have to answer them. So while answering, if any difficulty will occur, so next time you will try, so naturally the success will be yours. Thanks a lot.